Welcome to my channel. Yes, we are on Ugandan kitchen. In today's recipe we are going to be preparing rice with beans or rice and beans. This is an easy meal. It is delicious and tasty. It's so easy and quick to make. So yeah, these are some of the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have onions, tomatoes, carrots, green pepper, beans, spices here and there, rice. So start by heating up a pan, and then to it add 4 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Yeah, the amount, the quantity depends on how many people you are preparing for. So it may vary. Any vegetable oil, any oil without a smell will work just fine. Then add in the red onion. Then cook this for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to my channel. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section below. This is one of those delicious but yet simple meals that you can prepare for your family, especially if you are a lover of rice and beans. This is definitely a recipe for you to try out. Add your carrots and stir them for 2 to 3 minutes. I love adding rice to beans, especially when I have those leftover beans and they are not just enough for me to use for stew. So this is one way I use them, and I just add them into rice, and then you have for yourself a very nice meal within no time. Then add your ginger and garlic paste for an extra taste to your food. These are herbs and spices that are good for your health, for your body. So yeah, whenever you can, please add a little bit here and there for that extra taste and also for other health benefits. Then add your rice, and I used super rice that with nice aroma. Then added my spices, turmeric, paprika. I had mint powder. Yeah, you can add a little bit of black pepper, and then cumin will do well, as well jeera seeds. Then add in your boiled water. Remember, for every cup of rice we use 2 cups of water. Then I added in already cooked beans. Apart from the vegetables in this meal, make sure that whatever you are adding in has to be cooked. If you are to add in corns, peas, they have to be cooked and ready. Don't forget to taste for salt and spices, and if there is need for you to add in any, then please do. And also you can use spices of your choice depending on what spice you would like to have in this meal. Then cover and cook until the water reduces to this level. Then add in the rest of the ingredients. At this rate, if you wanted or if you used different bell peppers to make this meal colorful, then you can add them and then stir and cover on low heat until the water dries up completely. Kindly subscribe to my channel to help me grow, like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section below. Follow me on my other social media platforms, Snapchat, TikTok, also on Instagram. I'm there as Ugandan Kitchen. Now that the water has dried up and like you can see the meal is almost ready, we are going to add in our coriander or dania or cornmeal, whichever you call it, and then cook until the food is completely ready and dried up. In case you didn't know how to subscribe to my channel, there I am, like taking you through. Just type in Ugandan Kitchen, then subscribe. That means you have subscribed to my channel. Once you see that, then click on the bell as well again and turn on your notification. Then click on all, and then you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Kindly, whenever you watch a video, put a like, give a like, and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Like you can see, you can type in any word. It is free of charge, you don't need to pay. So please subscribe to help me grow. Like you can see, the meal is almost done at this rate. So you can serve this with any other vegetable of your choice, but you can have it the way it is, like I did, because it is yummy, it is delicious this way. So you don't need any stew, you don't need any gravy on the side, and it is so tasty. I mean, if you're a lover of rice and beans, then this is definitely a recipe for you to try. I just served with cucumber and avocado, but as well coleslaw, kachumbali can work as well, and garnished with coriander, and your lunch or dinner is ready to be served. Here I used yogurt garlic sauce, and it also complemented this dish in a very nice way. The one I use here in this recipe. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, check out my other videos, my other recipes, and let me know what you would love to see on my channel. I post a video every after a day, so yeah. Until next time, thanks for watching.